My shop is like this. My shop used to be, you brothers really used to be right next door. Oh, okay. I didn't know you was cutting like that. I didn't know,
Getting ready for the video. I'm finna drop my first single. Whip of the Week. I got my first single coming out called Whip of the Week. Got a couple whips for my video. They brought out a couple whips for my video. This the new Whip of the Week here. I'm gonna reveal this one, you know, in a little bit. And I got a couple two-wheel whips. You know what I mean? They even brought these out for me. If I get this video going, the new hit single Whip of the Week. Y'all lay around for it, man. Everybody ready for the video. Got the motorcycle. They got us some food.
Louisiana out there?
Popeyes. Get to see them on them Lolos. With the bill. 57 with the bill. On T-Top Cordova. Y'all know what he on. Them Lolos. He clean. All 10 guts. T-Top. Nice black vinyl top. It's clean now. Snoop waiting on a couple of people to come through. That right? Right here, kid. Chris got his chicken.
Yes, sir.
Rim lady taking orders over there. She trying to put some forges on the bike. Forgy. Y'all make something for the bike. Warren G. The Warren G B-Day present. I got to do that seat. don't have to keep slapping it. It's just called a slap shift.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
Yeah, you still just pull it in drive.
Right, put it in drive and go.
And go. Or reverse.
It's just a name for it.
But you ain't gotta be going.
No, it's called slap shift.
It's all on YouTube talking, you gotta slap it up. You gotta slap it up.
Yeah, if you start in one.
Straight to it, yeah.
You got to slap it to two.
You gotta slap it.
What's that?
You need a more small piece of chicken.
Oh, the wing. Man, we eating that Louisiana. That Louisiana. That Louisiana out here in Cali.
That's why black folks going to LA.
Where?
Louisiana.
Oh, yeah.
Doesn't matter which one you go to. We got one on one corner, you stand that motherfucker, guaranteed to be a gun, shooting at the corner before you get there.
Ain't got another scoop bite. Scooty bite. Hot water.
I used to drink 2-3 cups of coffee.
Little young nigga walked in and said, son, the other niggas in there. That nigga walked back out, waiting for me to get the spark light.
Y'all seen the big Xbox fridge. Oh, that's a book bag.
What?
It's blue bag.
Oh, yeah. We're trying to figure the laptop that was. I thought we were ready to give it away. We were gonna put it in one. We were gonna have Stitch put it in one of the cars. Put the whole MacBook screen in the car. With the tablet box slide out.
About to sip on some of this indigo
Indiegogo. Y'all want some Indiegogo? It's a nice box.
and some cyber smoke. I'll be back in a minute.